cette liberté de nous réjouir en toi.
Hello, Daniel. I am Mr. Donnell Ely, as you often call me, Mr. D. So today I'm so happy to have this lesson with you in Botanical Science. As you know, in Botanical Science, we study plants. Okay? So that's why our today's lesson is on plants. We're going to study the plants. What is a plant? Without further ado, let's get the ball rolling. We have here plants, generality. Plants, generality. So what is a plant? This is the first question that you have to know. Here we go. Definition. A plant is a living thing that grows in the earth. A plant is a living thing that grows in the earth. Okay? So the plant is born. When you saw a plant, it's going to come up like it is born. Okay? It feeds, it grows, and it dies. Okay? As is written here, it is born, feeds, grows, reproduces, and dies. Okay? When you sow a plant, it's going to come out of the ground, so it is born. Okay? It will grow, and it will start feeding. Okay? And it's also going to reproduce. You're going to have some fruits coming from the tree or from the plants. And finally, it's going to die just like a human being. Okay, we are almost the same because we human beings also born, we grow, we feed, reproduce, and finally we die just like the plants. Okay, so as a living thing, what does a plant need in order to survive? Here are some things that a plant needs in order to survive. As a living thing, a plant needs water, air, and light of sun to survive. If you have a plant in your compound or the garden, you have to water it every day when it stays down. A plant needs water. When it grows older and becomes big, you are not going to water it again, but it will need the water. When the water of the rain will come down, it's going to water the plant so it can resist and not die before the time. Okay? So a plant needs water. It needs air. You cannot sow a plant in a place where there is no air. No, it will die before the time. A plant needs air. It also needs the light of sun to survive. Okay? So a plant has different parts. So today I'm going to give you the two main parts of a plant. Here we go. Parts of the plant. A, the underground parts. You see you have a plant here. This is the underground part. You see, this part is not visible. When you see plants, you're going to see the underground part, this down. And in the underground part, we see the roots. Okay? And the part B, we have aerial parts. Here it is. Okay? We have this. This is the visible part of a plant is called aerial parts. Okay? And in the aerial part, we see a stem. We see leaves, we also see flowers and fruits, okay? So we have two main parts in the plant. We have the underground part and the aerial part, two main parts, right? So notes, root, stem, and leaves are the vegetative organs of the plants. They ensure the life of the plants, while the flowers and the fruits form the reproductive system. Okay? We have some parts here. We have the stem, we have the leaves, and we have also roots. They are vegetative organs of the plants. They ensure the life of the plants. Without them, a plant cannot live, okay? And we have also fruit, flowers and fruits that help us have the fruit and so on. So they are reproductive system of plants, okay? So we are at the end of our lesson, but before we finish, we have an exercise that you're gonna do here. Exercise number 1, draw a plant and indicate its parts. You're going to draw a plant and then you indicate its parts. Number 2, what does ensure the life and the reproduction of a plant? I think that I have touched that right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you are protecting yourself during this period of COVID-19. But I have to remind you that whenever you're gonna go to a crowded places, please make sure you have your mask up. Whenever you wanna sneeze or cough, please do it in your elbow like this to protect your surroundings against this pandemic. Goodbye, may God bless you.